So, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Norm Rad 89 here, and you hear that sound? Sorry, that was my poor attempt at an air horn. Let's get a proper air horn up in here. Yes, it's time for the NBA playoffs. The weekend, it's already started. We had Saturday yesterday. The game ones for some of the games played yesterday. But most importantly for me, I'm a huge Nuggets fan. If you're new to the channel, that is my favorite team. And if you're regular to the channel, you definitely know I'm a Nuggets fan and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, today it's an exciting time because it's game one. We got the T-Wolves tonight. I believe it's at 8:30 my time, but just wanted to get a little hype going for game one, especially for Nuggets Nation out there. Anybody out there that's a Nuggets fan, supporter, I know you guys are happy because this is a monumental time. The Nuggets finished first in the Western Conference this year with, I believe, the fourth best record in the NBA. Nikola Jokic just dominating again this year, making a case for his third straight MVP award. Joel Embiid's doing a really great job over there in Philly too. So we got two guys really battling it out for that MVP spot. But just wanted to highlight some awesome stuff today. I got some stat lines and everything. We had Nikola Jokic leading our team already this year, again, in points, assists, and rebounds this year. He was averaging 24 points per game, 11.8 rebounds per game, and then 9.8 assists per game, which is basically a triple-double. He had 29 triple-doubles, I believe, or 30, around there that this year. So just off the charts statistically, and really making a case for being the best Denver Nugget. Like, I think when all is said and done, after Nikola Jokic's career is finished, he will be considered probably the greatest Nugget that's ever touched the floor for our team. But we also got a whole host of awesome players around him this year. Like, we had KCP, a new addition to the team this year. We still have Jamal Murray, Aaron Gordon, Michael Porter Jr., some familiar faces, and they all did a fantastic job. And Michael Malone, props to all of you guys, because for real, it was such a fantastic season, especially for me being a Nuggets fan. It was great to watch all the record-setting stuff that happened this year with Jamal Murray and Jokic and even Michael Porter Jr., like all of them putting on amazing performances and really making a statement for being, this is going to be our year. And I'm so excited to see what happens in the playoffs. And this is an exciting time too, because the season is kind of one element. It's like its own separate entity. And then once you enter the postseason, it's like almost kind of like starting over. Like, you have to go through the season, of course, and do good to get to the postseason. But when you get to the postseason, it's a whole different vibe. It's a whole different feeling. And, playing the same team in, a 7-game series, you really get to feel out their pros and their cons, and they really get to know you. And then coaching really comes into effect in this postseason. So I'm so excited to see what Michael Malone and all the crew has got for us this postseason. And like I said, good luck for game one. And Nuggets Nation, all you fans out there, make sure you show your support for this fabulous team, and go out there and, like I said, watch. It's tonight, I believe 8:30. That's my time, and mine's Mountain Standard Time, 8:30 p.m. And yeah, I'm pumped. Can't wait. I know I'm special dinner tonight too. I'm doing some steak night tonight for game night. So yeah, I'm very excited. So hyped for another Nuggets postseason, and really hyping up the NBA. But let me know in the comment section down below, was your team a team that made the postseason? What's your favorite team? What are your feelings on the NBA season that we had? Because it was a very thrilling one. I think this year we had some really great teams and a lot of awesome players just going off the wall. And I think this year it's going to be one of the most exciting postseasons. I think even more exciting than the year before and the year before that, you know what I mean, kind of thing. So be ready for some really good television. Like I said, hit me up in the comments. Let me know and support your team. Drop it down in the comments. We show support for all the NBA teams. It's such a great sport. But most importantly, I want you all to have a safe and happy day. Peace out.